Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a papaya face cream that you'll completely fall in love with. I wanted a papaya face cream that has a long shelf life, and I also wanted to use fresh papaya extract. I didn't want to use store-bought papaya gel that is filled with synthetic color and perfume for this recipe. After a few disastrous trials, I finally tried using homemade papaya oil and the cream came out wonderfully. In this recipe, I got to use fresh papaya extract like I desired, and the cream also has long shelf life. The reason papaya is so beneficial for our skin is due to the presence of phytochemicals present in it. Especially, the enzyme papain found in papaya is effective in skin renewal. Papaya has skin lightening, anti-aging, skin renewal, and moisturizing properties. Regular use of this cream will moisturize the skin well, reduce dark circles if used around eyes, treat extreme dryness of the skin, even out a skin tone, along with lightening scars, spots, and all blemishes. It also helps reduce wrinkles very effectively. This cream has got 2 steps. The first is making papaya oil. The second step is making the cream. To make the papaya oil, take a tablespoon of very finely cut, ripe, but firm organic papaya pieces in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of any unrefined oil of your choice. Now take the bowl and place it over a pan of gently simmering water. The top bowl with the oil should not touch the water in the bottom bowl, and the flame should be on the lowest possible setting the entire time we're making the oil. Continue cooking like this for about 30 minutes. Using double boiler method will help preserve the nutrients. Make sure to top up with water every 10 minutes or so. After 30 minutes, remove the top bowl and strain out the oil. Now you have made organic papaya oil at home. To make the cream, take 2 parts of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl if you have dry skin. Use 3 parts if you have oily skin. Now add in 1 part of the prepared papaya oil to it. Finally, squeeze in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Along with skincare benefits, it also acts as a mild preservative. Now mix well with a spoon till all the ingredients are mixed well together. After a few minutes of mixing, the cream will change color and will become light and fluffy. Now transfer the cream to a glass bottle and use daily. This cream will last well at room temperature for about 10 days. While selecting papaya for making the cream, make sure to select ripe but only firm papaya, and try to use organic papaya for best results. For oily skin, use jojoba or rosehip seed oil. For dry skin, use extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed almond oil, or unrefined sesame oil. You can also use a combination of these oils too. I haven't added essential oil, but if you want the cream to smell good, you can add any essential oil of your choice. This cream will help lighten all scars and blemishes, and I hope you'll give it a try. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.